One quiet evening, little Pikachu was lying on his soft bed. All day long, Pikachu had been running and playing with his Pokémon friends, so he was quite tired. Outside the window, the sky slowly filled with twinkling stars, and the gentle breeze whispered, "It's time to sleep." But Pikachu wasn't sleepy yet. He looked around curiously, hoping to find something magical before closing his eyes. Suddenly, a soft light shone from the corner of the room. A tiny door appeared, like a secret passageway. Pikachu blinked and stepped closer. As the door opened, a dazzling glow poured out, leading Pikachu into a whole new place, the magical toy workshop. Inside the workshop, hundreds of toys were moving around. Teddy bears waved hello, wooden puppets smiled kindly, and little drums tapped a gentle rhythm like a lullaby. The entire space sparkled with colorful lights, not harsh, but soft and soothing like the moonlight at night. Pikachu's eyes widened in amazement, his rosy cheeks glowing with delight. A toy train chugged past and stopped right in front of Pikachu. "Hop on, let's take a ride around the workshop," a tiny voice called from the engine. Pikachu happily leapt aboard. The train rolled forward slowly, carrying Pikachu through different corners of the workshop. In one corner, dolls spun gracefully to the music. In another, thousands of colorful blocks stacked themselves into shining castles. As Pikachu ventured deeper, he came across a group of soft teddy bears singing a gentle lullaby. Their voices floated like a soft breeze, calming his heart. Pikachu stepped closer and hugged one of the bears tightly. The bear whispered, "We'll be your pillow tonight." Pikachu smiled happily, his eyes beginning to grow heavy. Above the workshop, glowing lanterns lit up like hundreds of tiny stars. They slowly drifted down, circling Pikachu as if to lull him to sleep. The wooden blocks transformed into a colorful quilt, gently covering Pikachu. All the toys became still, creating a warm, peaceful silence. Pikachu lay down, surrounded by teddy bears, a soft blanket, and gentle light. His rosy cheeks glowed one last time before he closed his eyes. A small smile appeared on Pikachu's face as he drifted into a sweet dream.